Nikon is finally seeing the light of day in an official capacity. Today, the company revealed its long-rumored and highly anticipated mirrorless cameras, Z6 and Z7. But here, let's focus on the flagship model, the Z7. This new shooting game features a full-frame 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor with Expeed 6 image processor, an ISO range of 64 to 25,000, a 493-point autofocus system, 9 FPS continuous shooting and video 4K UHD. That's basically all you'd want from a frontline camera in general, not just the mirrorless type. In addition to that, the Z7 comes with a built-in 5-axis vibration reduction, which will help keep the shots stabilized during photo and video sessions. There are also a million tilt points, a 3.2-inch touchscreen, an upper OLED LCD panel to display basic information, and an OLED electronic viewfinder of 3.69 million high-resolution dots that Nikon says covers approximately 100% of the frame. As with comparable Sony models, the Z7 offers a completely silent shooting mode. The Z7 can also capture 120 FPS footage with audio, in case you want to make slow-motion clips in post-production. However, while the Z6 offers a full pixel sensor reading, 4K on the Z7 is trimmed to an APS-C size, much like Sony's A7R III. You can still shoot 4K without any clipping, but some of the pixels will be grouped. Unlike the D850, both the Z7 and Z6 are compatible with phase detection AF for video, which raises the level of Nikon to Sony and Canon.